very good for the relaxing and also very good for the sleeping. Sometimes you have the tension, you don't can sleep very well. You need to drink that here. That one is so good for the sleeping and also very good for the relaxing. Inside of that tea have the rose, jasmine, green tea and the pineapple fruit. For that is so good for the...
Okay, so my friend here will explain to you everything regarding the spices, saffron, everything, and you will join me in the course.
So this one is the rose tea. It's a very good for the relaxing and also very good for the sleeping. Next,
Thank you.
this tea is hibiscus tea.
So I will give the explanation. I will give you the explanation of the spices, what we have and how we use them in our daily life. Why the explanation is important? Because all the different kind of spices, it was used to be a natural herbal medicines for those people who are coming to this market to buy some medicines. I can give an example of few. The first example I can give you that's called licorice, which is good for throat infections. Hibiscus, which is people they're using as a natural medicine for controlling the blood pressure problems for high and for lower. Turmeric, anti-inflammation, natural antibiotics. Saffron, the most amazing spice. We call it saffron is the king of the spice. Why? Because saffron has a lot of different benefits. Saffron alone has almost 100 plus benefits. What are these benefits? It's good for the mind, for memory. It helps to stop the cancer. It's good for the body energy. It's antioxidants. If you search in the Google, you can find almost 100 plus benefits of the saffron. But you must drink the saffron. If you don't drink the saffron, you cannot get the benefits of the saffron. That's how people they do in Spain and Italy. If you go to Spain and Italy, mostly people they use saffron for risotto and paella. But for us, we drink the saffron. We drink in tea and coffee. You can drink in milk, hot water. If you don't like tea or coffee or milk, hot water.
One question.
Yes, please.
We can mix turmeric and saffron in milk together?
No.
No?
That's someone asked me before that you do as a golden milk.
Yes, yeah.
Golden milk doesn't exist with two different things together. Saffron and turmeric are two different things.
Two different
if you put them the same, they will conflict between each other because the all benefits are the same. And if you put two herbs together, they're not going to work. So the golden milk, if you want to drink the golden milk, you should drink one warm milk, one cup of the warm milk, any milk, cow's milk or camel or whatever you like. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, put inside, mix it, a pinch of black pepper. That's the golden milk.
That will boost that.
Exactly. If you want to drink the saffron, you should avoid the turmeric, but you should put this one in the milk.
In the milk.
Yes, and that's your golden milk again. But you have two different types of the golden milk. You can do with the saffron with turmeric. Okay? How to check the saffron and how to see that saffron is real or not? You must do a test. That test you have to do in the hot water or normal water. So when you put the saffron in the water, you're getting yellow color of the saffron. That's how you can see that your saffron is real or not. Because sometimes people are getting something which is not the saffron. Because saffron, it's a flower, but people sometimes buying a turmeric and they call it saffron. Turmeric is turmeric and saffron itself. Saffron is different thing, okay? So now you see, that's how you can see the saffron. So after a while, we can drink. It's easy to drink or to cook something if you want to cook. But as I said, if you want to get the benefits, you should drink the saffron in tea, coffee, milk, hot water. After this, we have different kind of tea. All tea has different benefits. Like this one, it's a mixture of different herbs. Means lavender, jasmine, roses, and as well as fruits, which is good for relaxing the body. We call it sleeping medicine, or for sleeping as well. Let me smell, please.
So with the saffron, I'm putting a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Put it in?
Yes.
Okay.
Directly in the coffee, in the water. 3 to 4 strings is enough for 1 cup of tea or hot water or coffee.
When you say strings, are you saying literally?
I'm talking about little.
Wow.
These small strings. It's enough. This is right now. Like 3 to 4, 5 maximum for 1 cup of 250 or 400 ml maximum.
And is drinking one a day enough in terms of
Once a day. Once a day is enough to get the every day you get the benefits, and especially for those people, especially for those ladies, women who are pregnant, especially for those, it's very good natural medicine. Especially during the pregnancy, they can try the saffron, and it will help the baby to grow more better than normal babies. That's how been proven, and even in China, they're doing a lot of different experiments with the saffron. They're trying to make the new medicines, which will be coming maybe month, 2 months, 1 year, nobody knows, especially for the cancer. So they are making cancer medicines, anti-cancer, because they have proven that saffron is the best natural medicine which can help more better than all the herbal things to stop the cancer. So that's why they use this one. They're using now to make the medicine which can be helpful for anti-cancer. So in future we can get the anti-cancer medicine, but in future. So we have the tea here, which is I was talking about. The tea has camel milk, saffron, and cardamom.
Welcome.
Which is inside have the camel milk, have the cinnamon,
Welcome.
saffron.
One question. Which saffron is better, from Iran or Afghanistan?
That's a very good question. So I can say always Iran.
Always Iran.
Why?
Why?
Because Iranian land is not used for the saffron for now, or for 2 years, or for 3 years. It has been used from millions of the years to cultivate the saffron in the Iran land. The Afghanistan saffron is traditionally used for the saffron.
Okay.
So there the land is not covered. As a farmer, I know the land quality does matter for the quality of the products.
Okay.
So if you make let's say if you are producing any kind of fruits or something, the land and the seed is matter. If the seed is good and land is not good in a quality, your product not going to be good quality.
Good quality.
So that's
So
how
always go with Iran.
yes, the Iranian one is the highest. So this one, it's called hibiscus, which is I was talking about, which is helps to control the blood pressure problem for high and for low as well. But it has fruits inside as well. Okay. And why we add fruits in these different kind of teas? Because all the teas and herbs are very strong. You cannot drink it. That's why we put fruits inside, so people they can drink it easily. That's why people are going away from the herbal things, because they're strong, they're not good in taste.
Is that a black tea?
No, this is people call red tea.
Red tea?
Yeah.
Like a rooibos tea?
No, rooibos is different. That's basically hibiscus, which is itself it's red, so people they call red tea or hibiscus tea. And there's one more name, Jamaican tea, Jamaican flower. If you're familiar. Yeah, people they call flor de Jamaica. So in Spanish, Latin people they call flor de Jamaica, like Spanish flower of Jamaica. So yeah, but that's same hibiscus which you're talking about, but that's with fruits. Okay. After this, yes. This is the same what you're smelling now. That's called menthol.
Why am I getting menthol with my
Yes. Which is good for open the sinuses. So we use like as a natural wicks. What you have to do, just a tiny bit, you have to put in hot boiling water to get the steam of that. Or you can put on the charcoal to get the smoke of that. That's what we do here whenever we have many people in the same house. So it's easy to use for us on the charcoal. So that's what I'm going to do right now, so I can show you everybody on the same one charcoal. So I want you to please close your eyes and breathe in slowly, okay? Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Go to sleep.
Okay, breathe in slowly, please. Slowly, slowly.
You can see the color of water become changing.
It's like you just chug a bunch of gum in my water.
If you want to buy saffron in your country, you need to try the saffron first. Because I need that every day.
So it can clear your sinuses. Yeah. That's why we use like, especially for us when we have a hot and cold, because inside air conditioning is also like a little bit hot. Right now it's cold, but in summer we have fire hot. Okay. After this is incense. Incense, frankincense, we call oud. Okay. It played very important role in our history and our culture. You know, when you walk all the way with camels, you smell like camel. So to remove this camel smell from your body, from your clothes, you need to do something. So in that time, if you never had any kind of like water, taking shower, if you're walking all the way in the desert, you cannot find to shower. So that can be a natural shower. How it works? So you have to do like 5 minutes over here, 5 minutes over here.
5 minutes?
5 minutes. And you have to do at least 10 to 15 minutes
All right.
under the cloth.
You just lift up the whole thing?
No, we actually keep on the floor and we step on that.
Okay.
So that's how we do. Okay, right now I don't have to so I cannot show you how it properly, but that's how it works. So what happens basically, the smoke which comes out can stay on your body, stay on your clothes, so when you stretch it smells good. That's how it was working before. Nowadays people they try to use oil perfumes which is easy and faster. Who has time like 5 minutes, 20 minutes? So that's why people they use oil perfumes which is easy and faster. So
and inside have the 200 grams of the chocolate bars. Now is my colleague bring for you the sum of test of the way chocolates. You can taste it after you
So that's why we have the oil perfumes, which is nowadays we use. How it works, you just have to put on your hand like this. Just rub these hands like this, put on your neck, on your clothes. You're done with your perfume. You don't have to wait like 5 minutes, and 20 minutes, which is we call time is money and money is honey. So.
Dubai money, 30 dirhams. And second, only 40 dirhams. And third, only 50 dirhams.
Yeah, this is not only the one which is we have 37 to 38 different types of the oil perfumes. So later after the explanation, if you want to see more, my colleagues will gonna help you with that. You can give it to me if you want. Thank you.
You said what was the next? Camel
Chamomile tea, saffron and cardamom.
cardamom. Okay.
Cardamom, that's a green spice. We use in tea and coffee. Some people use in baklavas, in sweets. In Turkey, especially Turkish people, they use in sweets. Okay. After this, we have something very special that's called Dubai chocolate. I know everybody knows about that. Dubai chocolate is one of the famous chocolate in the world. What the Dubai chocolate has inside? It has kunafa, pistachio, and chocolate. 3 different things. The kunafa, it's like a similar to Turkish baklava, if anybody knows about baklava, or you can say it's sweet. It's a sweet, Arabic sweet. So we have baklava, which is kunafa, then pistachio and chocolate. 3 different things. So that's why it was very famous in the world, because first time ever kunafa was introduced in the chocolate. So that's why everybody knows about the chocolate in Dubai. So it helped us a lot to send our name to different places. So my friend will give it a try, so at least you can get an idea of the taste of Dubai chocolate.
Is it gluten-free?
No, it has gluten. Because kunafa was made with gluten.
Is any of the chocolate gluten-free? It all has gluten.
Dubai chocolate made with kunafa, which is gluten. Same. It has kunafa and pistachio. Dubai chocolate without kunafa. It's this one. Yeah, it's this one which is we are going to try right now. Which is we are trying is this brand, okay? So Dubai chocolate without kunafa, it's not a proper Dubai chocolate. So that's why we don't have any ingredients. Anybody has a problem with nuts or gluten allergy? No,
Not for them. Not for them.
This one is about in price. Thank you so much. Enjoy your shopping.
So he's opening it. So that's a short explanation which is I was trying to give, just to give an awareness and ideas what we have and how we use them in our daily life. If anybody would like to buy something, you're free, my colleagues are around, you can ask them for help. They're going to help you with that. Let me give you an idea of the prices, so at least you can know how much the prices are and everything. So because of the groups, we have the prices which is the lowest price which we can offer on our website. That's the saffron. The best saffron price you can get in Dubai, if you find everywhere else, like let's say US, Australia, if you go to Europe, you will find about 20 to 25 US dollars price, depending on different places and different prices. And the lowest which is we have here is only 17 dirhams for 1 gram, which is about 4 euros or $5 US for 1 gram, which is the very good price for the highest quality of saffron. Okay, and if you go with the menthol and tea, it will cost you half dirham per month, or 50 cents per hour for 1 gram. It's mean if you buy 100 grams, you just have to pay 50 dirhams. 200 grams, you just have to pay 100 dirhams. If anybody interested to buy incense, frankincense, it will cost you 1 gram, 1 dirham. So if you buy 50 grams, 50 dirhams, 100 grams, 100 dirhams. If anybody is interested to buy the white chocolates, the 30 dirhams, which is we just tried, 35 dirhams, okay? And we have over there, which is, can you just help me with this? Yes, thank you so much. So that's the 40 dirhams. So 40, 35, and here 30. So that's the prices for the white chocolate. Size and brands.
It's just different branding.
Yeah, different brands and size. Yeah. But which is you try, it was also not bad. If you compare with the price size, yes, you can say this is the good because good in the price and good in the quality. Okay. If anybody is interested to buy some oil perfumes, the medium bottle will cost you only 45 dirhams. And we have the smaller which is 25 and 30 and the bigger 80, 90, 100, depending on different sizes. So that's all prices which I was talking about. It was in dirhams, not in dollars, not in euros. If you want to know them in dollars, you have to divide by 3.65, that's US dollars. And if anybody wants to know in euros, you have to divide by 4. That's two conversions like that. Or rather, any of you from Australia, from New Zealand, that's different conversions, but just to give an example for the dollars and euros, you can pay with dollars. We excited if you want.
हाँ मुश्किल नहीं उधर देखो उसको देखो
For US, no problem. Only problem only for those people who are traveling back to Australia or New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand, we have a special package that's called vacuum sealed. They're not allowed any kind of these things without sealed vacuums. So we're gonna do the vacuum and seals. If anybody of you from Australia, from New Zealand, you can let us know. We're gonna do the separate packaging for you. But you have to tell us before that you're from Australia, from New Zealand, because we do normal package, which is just normal for everybody, for Europe, for USA, for any part of Asia. Okay, we don't have any problems. They don't have any problems with that. But if you're going to Australia or New Zealand, you have to do special packaging. That's called vacuum sealed with the sticker or whatever. So yeah, but for US there's no problem. We have a special boxes for saffron, for spices. We have bags. So it just. But if you're traveling to any other part of Australia or New Zealand, then we're gonna do the separate. Okay. Thank you so much for listening. Enjoy your time.
No, thank you. I will wait outside.
𝐶𝐿𝐴